So accidentally I met one of my subscriber, and that is this guy Rider Boy Subbu. So he also has a YouTube channel, and yes, as you can see, this is the 2019 Dominar, the new one. So he's fairly a new YouTuber, has a similar kind of riding kit. So the top box is the same, green color Dominar, looks fantastic. So again, he also looks to be a passionate rider. So yep, I guess, you know, this day has started off with a surprise, and also made some new friends. That's nice. So DRDL. So a quick ride update. I have clocked close to 165 kilometers, and Sagar is close to, I think, another 15 kilometers, 10 to 15 kilometers. So far so good. The bike is doing pretty well. The top rack seems to be slightly, one of the bolt, I guess one of the bolt is was not fitted properly by me, and I think one of the bolt from the top rack fell off, but the other three bolts are holding up the top rack pretty nicely. So this bolt has come off, but the rest of the things are, you know, held up pretty properly. So far so good. And Sagar road is pretty nice. I think there was no major issues with the road, but a very smooth road, I would say. Just in one small pocket for I believe a kilometer we had a rough patch, but the rest all was good. So let's see you at the Sagar, the dam. So photo తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో గేట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసినారు సార్, అక్కడ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయిందా? ఓ షట్. Okay, the gates have been closed. So the nagarjunsagar dam. Good, man. So సార్ ఎత్తిపోతలో ఎట్లుంటుంది సార్? వాటర్ పడుతుందా? ఎత్తిపోతలో ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఎంత? 30 కిలోమీటర్స్. 30 3013 30 13 అడ్రనే కదా సార్? మాట్లాడలోటు. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సో నాగార్జునసాగర్ డ్యామ్. వద్దు లే వద్దండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎప్పుడు క్లోజ్ అయింది ఇది?